Right, what's up, traders? Happy Tuesday. So let's get it right into it. I'm looking at some DAX longs at the moment. A lot of traders have been asking, what do I have on my charts? Right, so if we have a look at this, and a lot of this has got to do with what Edgefill and their reports look at. So we'll go over some Edgefill reports, the ones that I like, and we'll go over some pre-market prep now as well. We've got quite a lot of earnings this week with regards to the Mag 7 stocks. We got Google after close today. Then we got after close Microsoft, Meta, Starbucks, and we got Apple on Amazon and we also got MasterCard before earnings. So we've got quite a lot of earnings this week. So just keep it tidy. We'll go over some of my favorite Edgefill reports, which I will do with you guys. But first of all, foremost, I want to just show Evan's done a great job here on ASFX TV. This is our live streaming platform. You can watch us stream live here during market hours every single day of the week. But Ev, just this course comes with ASFX TV. All right. So Ev's done a great job with this, going over, showing his payouts, showing everything, how he's been able to get those payouts. And I think it's really, really well done. I'm more than halfway into it. So I'm still looking forward to the second half, but he's done a really, really good job. And this comes with the ASFX TV subscription. So let's go over some of my favorite Edgefill reports when looking at some pre-market players. So didn't really like anything on the DAX there. Tried some longs there, just no follow through. So closed that. I was looking at some of the Asian markets. We've got some HSBC earnings too. The Nikkei is moving higher. So interesting day. We've obviously taken our previous day's highs on the Nikkei as well. But if you go into the NASDAQ, very, very choppy day yesterday on the NASDAQ. So probably waiting for those earnings. I got my 5-minute chart here, intraday chart up on the top here. I got my 15, 1 hour, and then daily charts here on the bottom. So very, very interesting. Going to see where, how we do pan out. But at the moment right now, we're not looking super hot on these indexes. I think a lot of it waiting for these earnings reports to come out. I was trading some individual stocks yesterday, some Apple longs yesterday in here, and we can actually pull that up. So we can actually pull up my daily report card, right? So let's pull up my daily report card from yesterday. End of the day, green. It's been a solid October so far. It's a couple of tilt days, which I've spoken about, but yeah, as you can see, this is what the daily review takes, right? Just going over all my trades. So I was trading some on the personal account and FTMO, Hong Kong 50, Apple longs. I took a loss and then got in a winner, and some DAX longs too. So let's go Hong Kong 50, nice breakout here, simple off the intraday chart, trading towards previous day's highs, really, really clean. Apple, I took a first initial loss. We were trading above previous day's highs. I wanted initial balance highs as my target. Playing that opening candle continuation report with Edgefill, which is basically, if we go here to futures, stocks, Apple. Let's go to Apple. Right, and let's go to my favorites. Let's go opening candle continuation. So year to date on Apple, the first I was bullish 71% of the time. We actually closed as a bullish day. So that was my play on Apple. So nice little winner there. And then loser first, and then hopped in on the nice winner back towards initial balance highs. And then the DAX pulled quite early in the London session. So interesting days today. Just trying some different tickers as well, different indexes, world market indexes in terms of the Nikkei and Hong Kong 50 charts. So we're just having a look at that. I think if you know what you're looking for, it doesn't matter what you trade, right? You can have a look at a whole host of things. I definitely have preferred trading the indexes over the currencies in the last couple. Let's see if there's any comments here. What's up? What's up, Dave? What's up, Darren? Yeah, so as you can see, I've got my Mag 7 stocks that I watch. My favorites are DAX, obviously, and then the US markets. But I've got my individual Mag 7 stocks here too. And the Nikkei as well. Nikkei, you can trade with most CFD prop firms as well, right? So again, so that opening candle continuation with Edgefill is one of my favorite. I'm actually going to be speaking on a Twitter Spaces with Wolf Financial in the next couple of minutes, next 4 or 5 minutes or so. But yeah, pre-market stuff in terms of the NASDAQ and S&P. I think just waiting for a lot of earnings to come out. It is NFP week as well. So if we pull that up too, is NFP week as well. So yeah, a lot of stuff to come out this week. Yeah, we got NFP on Friday as well. So a lot of earnings, big week in terms of fundamentals. So we'll see how that pans out. But S&P looks like we're pretty bearish here today. We're trading below previous days lows. Right, we're trading below previous days lows, below weekly VWAP. This VWAP is there. That's also what I wanted to go over. So some traders were asking, what do I actually have on my charts here? And let's actually bring that up, right? So I've got ADR, average daily range on my charts. I've got previous week's highs and lows, which is previous week's highs and lows. Right, previous week's highs and lows. And then I have previous days low, previous days high, right? So previous days low, previous days high. The red line is the 21 EMA. The daily VWAP is the black one. I've got my daily open price, and then I got weekly VWAP as well. So a lot of traders were asking me what these actually are on my charts. This is, you can take a screenshot of this, but this is actually what I do have on. I can make a post of it on my Twitter too. Always trying to give some value to you guys. But if you want to watch me trade live in real time using these, ASFX TV is the place to be. I do have that link in my bio as well. So yeah, that is actually what's on my chart. So a lot of what I use is from these Edgeful reports, previous days high and low, that sort of thing too. So go make sure to check it out. But we can actually, I did share it with our members here today as well. Right over here, as you can see, like that. So just making it very easy for you guys. Previous day is low, weekly open, weekly VWAP is this blue one, the daily open price, daily VWAP is the black one, and the red 21 EMA on my charts. This is the 5-minute chart on the DAX, but you can see previous day is high and low, right? So very, very simple. I hope that makes sense for what I do use on my charts and my analysis. So good to avoid here going into the DAX. Actually, the 15-minute chart looks a bit bearish here on the left-hand side. We're coming back into previous days range. The NASDAQ and that we obviously been very, very choppy, coming down yesterday and waiting for those releases. So we'll see what happens. For those that are interested, I stream live every single day on ASFX TV and here on Twitter too. Pre-market hours live trading on ASFX TV. But yeah, that's some of the Edgeful reports that I do like using. I have mentioned in my pre-market plan, I like using the opening candle continuation, the previous day's range, right? Previous day's range, and the initial balance breakout. So those are my favorite ones with Edgeful. Go make sure to go check them out. And I am going to be live in those Twitter spaces in the next 2 minutes or so. So I'll check you on there. But that was my day yesterday. Really solid day. So again, go check out Evan's free course with ASFX TV on there as well if you have not, for those members. And if you want to check it out, go check ASFX TV link in my bio. But when it comes to my day yesterday, my daily review, up on the day, green to start the week, got some payouts coming. So let's see if we can start to capitalize some more. Appreciate you guys being on, and we'll see you tomorrow for my daily review pre-market. Cheers, guys.